Usinde wangakhola udriver we-Uber osinde igebengu seyifikile zithi zomthathela imoto. Esinye sazo igebengu besesiphakathi emotweni kanti asibuzanga elangeni. uJulius Malema ubatshele kwekabhoqa abahlali base-Eastern Cape ukuthi indlala ayikuthi iyabadla nje kodwa iyababulala ngenxa yohulumeni abamvotela uhulumeni we-ANC. Kanti umphakathi wase-Eastern Cape ube usuyiphendulela ngalezi ntolo zikaJulius Malema. Wakubeka kwacaca ukuthi kulokhu phinde bavotele i-ANC kepha bahamba nomkhonto kaMsholozi. Ufikile Mbalula ubale amazambane inkathi ebuzwa abazindaba ukuthi kungani ethi i-ANC noma abahlali baseMzansi abaphinde bavotele i-ANC kuleli ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo landelayo. Ufikile Mbalula ube esebala amazambane wakhomba lokhu mbukeli sekwengelela kuphinda lapho nesibukeleyo nikhona emakhaya. Siyathemba ukuthi niyaphila ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngabe sihlangana nani yilokho nalokho ke sicela kuwena mbukeli ukuthi like ama videos wesifakele bese usubscribe mase ngazo subscribe uze usisikhulise le channel yilokho nje mbukeli bese sihlale kanye nawe. Okunye ke ongakwenza ukuthi ucommente ku comment section mekuthi mhlawumbe khona lapha ufisa ukuthi ushare khona umbono ngoba nathi imbono yenu sayithatha siyayilalela kakhulu futhi senze lokho enisukwini kusho ukuthi ngabe yiphi indlela esifisa ukuthi senze ngayo noma nibe nembono kulezo ihloko esiphethe njengalezi zanamhlanje. Siyathemba ukuthi imbukelo ziyakuthinta nawe njengesakhamuzi saseMzansi ngoba konke sikuphethe lana sokuthinta yena umuntu oyisakhamuzi lapha eSouth Africa. Namhlanje ke mbukelo sizoqwashisa nje abantu ngodaba lolu olufishane luka Uber driver negebengu ezirequestile kanti zirequesta nje azinayo inhloso ukuthi igibele imoto ziye ku destination lapho ekumele ziye khona kodwa zifuna ukuthathela udriver imoto ngenhlanhla. Udriver lona noma umhlonishwa lona osebenzisa yona le moto umuntu lona obukeka ehlale ekulindele ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini kulomsebenzi wakhe awenzayo. Kodwa ke mbukeli ake sithathe sikubeke ukuthi sibone ngabe usinde kanjani na.
To do what? Boss, where is money? How can you ask where's money? The money is. Where is it, mama? Yeah, I'm just waiting for my mother, boss. Where is your mother? To do what? Boss, where is money? How can you ask where's money? The money is. Where is it, mama? Yeah, I'm just waiting for my mother, boss. Where is your mother?
Isiphi mbukeli isifundo ositholayo ku driver njengoba esindile baningi abantu bebanjwa inkunzi bethathelwa imoto bethathelwa izinto zabo ezibalulekile njengamafoni kodwa ku driver uyabona ukuthi kusale ifoni kwasala nemoto kuyona kubuye ngathi yona befuneka njengoba omunye bekade engaphandle ethi uyazama naye ukuthi alilekelele umngani wakhe labazi abekade bezobamba naye u driver inkunzi imoto. Bebezothatha imoto ke mbukeli ngoba nansi ifoni isesandleni ka driver kuyona phone futhi iphindela lekelela u driver shuthi inhloso bekuyiyona ukuthi ithathwe imoto. Wena ke mbukeli yini ucabanga ukuthi size u driver njengoba imoto yakhe ekwazile ukuthi abaleke nayo igebengu zasala zincela izithupha. uJulius Malema akazange ayele nale ngekathi enza imedia briefing eEastern Cape lapho khona ekade ezoncenca abase-Eastern Cape ezokukhampena njengoba kusibheke ukhetho lukamhla ka4 lapho khona kuzobe kwenziwa ukhetho lohulumeni bezindaba kukhetha omasipala kumele basihole emadolobheni eswakhele ezweni lonke jikelele. uJulius Malema ngathi yokhankasa eqembini lakhe noma ngeqembu lakhe iAFF ufika batshela base-Eastern Cape ukuthi nina indlala akusikho nje ukuthi iyanidla kuphela ke kodwa iyanibulala ngenxa kahulumeni wenu enamvotela we-ANC ufakaze nangokuthi upresident weqembu i-ANC imali useze ayifihle ngaphakathi endlini kosofa emakamereni ngaphansi kombhede kuningi mbukeli kodwa abantu base Eastern Cape bayaqhubeka bayamvotela uhulumeni ka-ANC.
In the Eastern, literally, not because they are hungry now. They are dying, they are being buried because they are dying from hunger, poverty. When the new president, he takes money and put under the sofas and put in the mattresses when children are dying of poverty. These children of the youth command, they've passed, they are not given certificates, but they are owing a university. Their parents don't have money to pay university, but the president has got money. Once you put money in the sofas, it means all the rooms are full. The sofas will be the last place to put money. You start in the bedroom. Abu Koko too, they were putting under mattresses. So once you put in the dining room, at the lounge, it means the bedrooms are full, there is no longer a space. Then you are even now going to the kitchen and the dining room and the lounge. There is a guy who was a criminal who was dealing with drugs, Pablo Escobar. Which country was he from? Colombia. Till today, he was stealing money. He put money everywhere. The way he was a thug. The rooms were full of money. He just now went around digging and hiding money, hiding money. Today, he's dead. When they're digging a place to do a road, they just find dollars. When they're digging a place to build the new buildings, they just find dollars. That's what Ramaphosa was going to do. Ramaphosa, from today, is Pablo Escobar. He puts in the room, he was going to dig Esibayeni and put even there because he has got no any other place to hide money anymore. Yet, Sialamba, we are unemployed, we are without houses, our children don't have proper meals at school, the hospitals do not have medicine, the hospitals do not have bed, pregnant women give birth on the floor and put their children in a card box. Yet our president is the richest. This has to come to an end. And only the EFF will make it come to an end, where money must come from corruption directly into creating jobs for our people. Why should electricity be so expensive? Why should Eskom make profit? We don't want Eskom that makes profit because giving people electricity is not business.
Ungayiphikisa inimbukela inkulumo kaJulius Malema mengabe esho kanjena ukuthi abantu base Eastern Cape into ebabulalayo ukuthemba uhulumeni we-ANC ngoba nakho umqalo wendlela noma umuntu okuyena wafaka u-ANC endlini zabantu Nelson Mandela kuumuntu owayedabuka khona lapha e-Eastern Cape ongasekho funa eqembini le-Eastern Cape inqumo ezithathwa lapha e-Eastern Cape azathinti yena Dr. Nelson Mandela kodwa seke yezabo ofikile embalula bebambisene no-Ramaphosa nobantu unoHulumisa kanjalo abasebe khona u-ANC lona Eastern Cape usayinto engabe isavalwe ngalendlela ewawukade uvalued ngakhona kusaphila uNelson Mandela noma sekuyimane beyibulalisa ngendlela njengoba uJulius Malema esho nje kanti ke bukele ngenhlanhla
we are an organization striving
umphakathi wakhona lapha eEastern Cape ubuke ngazuthi usuhlalile phansi wayibuka lento ka-ANC obaxhaphazayo wase uthatha wasithatha isinqumo umphakathi wase Eastern Cape sikhuluma nawe njena ubuhlangene ngenkathi uhlangene ngaphansi kweqembu okuyilona okubukeka ngazuthi ufolosa ngalo ufranta ngalo kulaphana kwezepolitiki kuhulumeni okuzomela bamvotele okuyiqembu leMK Mbukeli njengoba besho ukuthi uhulumeni kaANC subaxhaphaze kakhulu ubakhumbula ngoba nakho kumele kuvotwe emva kwalokho ke bakhohlwane nabo bakhohle futhi wona akekho umuntu osesazomunye ngoba uhulumeni kumele aze kubantu ayothi abantu bajaha uhulumeni ngoba uhulumeni masefuna ivote uza kubona kodwa ke Mbukeli nanto udaba
njengomkhonto wesizwe we are an organization striving into okubana size with the best that society has to these councils and all levels zokuhulumenda kwethu. Asifuni kuninika umngxengwa wenkokheli xa sibheke ezicounseling. Asifuni unika umngxengwa wenkokheli kubuhulumende. Kuba ezi marshals zinikwa nalama volunteer anikwa izikhahlelo ezikhulu kuthiwa ngomeya kuthiwa ngospeaker basibeke kule ndawo sikuyo njengomuntu onsundu. And we can never repeat the same mistakes. Asiya kwezini councils because apha Eastern Cape out of 703 wards ayikho iward esingazuyicontest. Awukho umasipala esingazucontest. And as a contest ANC, they must never have an obsession about our organization. Asilali siphuphe ngabo thina. Asibethelwa nangudo. Sikhumbula uba bakhona xa ingaba bathetha ngathi. Sikhumbula into kanene kubasekhona. Shame is Aram. Sixakeke kakhulu thina ukwakha umbutho wethu. So alikho kilungu elibhetele kunamanye amalungu. Kodwa mongameli sifumana ibalulekile into kokubana phakathi kwamalungu aye ajoina lo mbutho kunjalo nje ababizo VVIPs kulo mbutho given their status in society. Akafika athi umuntu hey ndiyinkosi mina ndiyiprincipal ndingino business ndiyinto ethile ndiyahlonitshwa therefore xa ndingena mandivele ndinqalentla. Because ezinye ze problems esidilishana nazo ngabantu abangena eminyango abheke entla engekayazi noba yintoni le kukuyo. Awugqibeme ngaphambili ilishwa lelokuba abantu abazunga comperish. They did so to Moses. But the survival ka Moses with journey yakhe entlango was credible leadership that provided answers, not magics. Leaders are not magicians. They must provide scientific answers to the socio-economic challenges of our people. Xa ethi umuntu ndilambile awuzuthetha lizwi aphile, you must provide food. And akunoba ngelixesha siswantsulisana ne-funding model ye-free education, siswantsulisana ne-funding model ye-NHI ngungathi inhlupheko asiyazi. Asirelayi thina kwi-study to understand what our people need.
Western Cape amahle asazi ukuthi nivuleka amehlo ngale ndlela esenithatha ngalezi inqumo esenithatha ukuthi nikhethe iqembu enikholwa ukuthi lizonisebenzela okuyiqembu lomkhonto wesizwe lika Msholozi baba uJacob Zuma. iMK kukwena ke lokho Mbukeli thina nje okwethu ukuthi sithathe silethele lokho osekwenzekile njengoba sikulethela lona udaba lolula namhlanje siliphethe. Lapha ke ufikile Mbalula ubekade echazela lapha indaba ukuthi kungani abantu kumele baqhubeke bavotele uANC. Naye ke uFile Mbalula ubese wabala amaphutha kaANC ukuthi uANC awuthembekile, uANC uzenzile izinto kubantu ezingezinhle, uANC u1 no2 no3. Kodwa uma ngabe ethi awuqhutshekwe uvotele uANC, umngelo ukuthi uANC usumdala endimeni usuma kade bona laphana endimeni zepolitiki, awusiyena awusilona ivukane njenganye amanye amaqembu afike emva kwakhe uANC. Lokho ngabe kumsiza ngani umuntu osemakhaya, umuntu ongayitholi i-service delivery ebuya lapha ku-government?
You're asking for another chance. Let's start there. Why? Especially after 30 years in some municipalities or 25 years in some. Why should people be giving you another chance when there have been so many service delivery failures?
We have experience. We are action-oriented. We admit to our mistakes. We are fixing them as we speak. And some of them have been dire and costly. And some of those mistakes and weaknesses have been corrected. We've got a plan that is not based on fiction, but on reality, that you talk about water, you talk about electricity, you talk about fixing potholes, you talk about fixing budgets and so on, building more houses for our people and creating good infrastructure for shelter, and at the same time dealing with the whole question of a new urban settlement, the expansion of urbanization, many people coming into the cities and upgrading informal settlements. So those are the things that are not just thumbs-sucked. We believe that they are doable. We are doing them even in constraints of the coalition governments we are leading in some municipalities and metros. We are led in this campaign by the president of the ANC, and as you have seen his lovely face, a very, very, very great leader, very handsome, and so on. Click it, click it, click it. What? Yaziwa ngupresident mandiyeke. Ithini president? Oh, kuthiwa clock it, clock it. It click and clock into one. Okay, clock it, comrades. Thank you very much.
Sibonge mbukeli kulezo izanamhlanje bese phothela zona. Siyathemba ukuthi mbukeli sophinde sihlangane nangokuzayo. Uqinisekise nje ukuthi uyasubscribe, uyalike ukuze sizoqhubeka futhi sikulethele ezinye mbukeli. Siyabonga.